Car tires ensure traction, safety, stability, and smooth vehicle movement on all road conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best car tire that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Continental Car Tire. This Continental tire delivers a strong balance of performance, safety, and durability, making it a reliable choice for everyday and spirited driving. With up to 50,000 miles of limited tread life coverage, it offers long-lasting value for drivers who want both quality and endurance. Built with Continental's Sport Plus technology, the tire provides responsive handling and excellent grip on both dry and wet roads. Braking performance is impressive, with short stopping distances that enhance confidence in changing road conditions. It also performs well in light snow and icy surfaces, adding extra safety during winter driving. The tread design is not only functional but also visually appealing, giving the vehicle a sporty, modern look without compromising performance. A standout feature is the tuned performance indicators, D, W, and S, which help drivers easily monitor when optimal performance levels begin to decline in dry, wet, or snowy conditions. Overall, this tire combines style, safety, and dependable all-season capability in one well-engineered package. Now our second product is Atturo Car Tire. This all-season touring tire is a solid choice for truck and SUV owners looking for a balance of comfort, durability, and dependable everyday performance. With a tread life of up to 60,000 miles, it offers long-lasting value, making it suitable for drivers who cover frequent highway or city miles. Designed as a tire-only option with a standard load range, SL, and 4-ply rating, it provides reliable strength for typical SUV and light truck use. The construction supports stable handling and a smooth driving experience, especially during long touring journeys. Being an all-season tire, it is built to perform well in a variety of weather conditions, including dry roads, wet surfaces, and light seasonal changes. The touring performance focus also helps reduce road noise and improve ride comfort, making daily driving more enjoyable. Overall, this tire is a practical and cost-effective option for drivers seeking durability, comfort, and consistent all-season reliability for their SUV or truck. Our third product is Travelstar Car Tire. This 235/40ZR19 ultra-high performance tire is designed for drivers who want strong control, stability, and sporty handling. With a W speed rating of up to 270 km/h and a reinforced 4-ply radial construction, it delivers reliable strength and performance for high-speed driving conditions. The asymmetric tread design significantly improves braking, cornering, and acceleration response, giving the driver a more precise and confident feel on the road. Semi-closed shoulder design helps reduce road noise while also improving overall driving stability, making highway rides quieter and more comfortable for wet conditions. The continuous open lateral channels efficiently channel water away from the tire surface, enhancing grip and reducing the risk of hydroplaning. The 4-groove design with strategic siping further boosts traction on wet roads and even light snow, improving safety in changing weather. Overall, this tire combines performance, safety, and comfort, making it a solid upgrade for sporty vehicles that demand responsive handling and all-weather capability. Now number 4, Lexani Car Tire. This performance-oriented tire is a strong option for drivers who want both speed capability and everyday comfort in warmer weather conditions. Built with a 50,000-mile limited tread life, it offers dependable durability along with sporty performance, making it a practical long-term choice. The V-shaped tread pattern is designed to improve traction and braking at higher speeds, giving drivers more confidence during aggressive or highway driving. Wide lateral grooves effectively channel water away from the tread, helping reduce the risk of hydroplaning and improving safety in wet conditions. Despite its performance focus, the tire also emphasizes comfort. Its computer-optimized design helps reduce road noise and vibrations, resulting in a quieter and smoother ride for both driver and passengers. Overall, this tire delivers a balanced mix of grip, stability, and comfort, making it a reliable upgrade for performance vehicles driven mostly in warm weather conditions where control and refinement both matter. And our last choice is Fullway Car Tire. This all-season high-performance tire is designed for passenger vehicles that need a balance of control, durability, and year-round usability. Built with a load range XL and 4-ply rated construction, it offers extra strength and stability, making it suitable for daily driving as well as more dynamic road conditions. As a high-performance tire, it provides responsive handling and improved grip, giving drivers better confidence during acceleration, cornering, and braking. The all-season design ensures reliable performance in a variety of weather conditions, including dry roads, wet surfaces, and light seasonal changes. Although the tread life is listed as not applicable, the tire focuses more on performance capability and driving precision rather than long-term mileage rating. Its reinforced structure also helps support heavier loads while maintaining ride stability. Overall, this tire is a solid option for drivers who want enhanced performance, dependable all-season traction, and added durability for everyday passenger vehicle use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.